I'm Dr. Linda Gromko, and this is Transgender Medicine Made Simple. Today, rather than talking about a medical topic, I wanted to show you a product that I recommend to my clients. This is not a paid ad by any means, but I thought it was so helpful that I wanted to show it to you. This is for traveling with injectable medications and your supplies, and I thought it was really helpful. This is made by Stealth Bros & Co. It's a travel packet. This is called the Dopp kit. It's got lots of little features, little pockets and that kind of thing. This is what I thought that was so interesting though. When you open this up, you unzip it, open it up, and there are lots of little places where you can put stuff like your alcohol wipes, your vial, for example, of estradiol or of testosterone, whatever you need to carry with you. Another thing that you can get along with this is called a shuttle. Whenever you use injectable medications, you have to have a way to dispose of the sharps. It's a legal requirement actually that you have a safe way to dispose of them. I think this is really nice. I think it answers a lot of needs, and I think it really makes a convenient way to pack up your stuff when you're traveling. This comes in a whole bunch of different colors and everything. You can see that it zips up securely, and it's got little handles to help you and all of that kind of thing. So it's really nice. In any event, this was invented and is marketed by Braxton Fleming, who was the first Black trans entrepreneur to get a deal on Shark Tank recently. And no matter who you are, that's a heck of an accomplishment. So happy to promote this. In any event, if you like this video or found it valuable to you, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and share this with somebody else who might benefit from this information. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.